Come to digital investment. So, two new major Nifty 50 companies announced its earning today. One is one's State Bank of India, and another one is Titan. Titan and Titan. 1 second, let me have to go. It's like yeah. So Titan disappointed its earnings, but it is kind of expected because in Q1 is generally you don't tend to report that good of earnings. It's just in a phase state of you know it's a new fiscal year, but it is not expected for you to great generate good revenue. The majority of the Titan's revenue do come from three. One is Titan for cheap watches, Titan, cheap watches, Tanishq and Tanishq. That's the majority of what Titans is. I am not too invested in Titan because its current ratio is very bad. Current liabilities completely outweighs. But the stock is very good. The stock is very good. It's not fit in my debt to equity criteria. If you want, you can sure go ahead and invest. If you can take in this that that level. It is surely a recession proof, but I say wait for some pullback. Why not buy it at 480, 480, or start accumulating when it slowly starts crashing. To me, Titan is a very good uh, investment to be held. But now coming to our main stock. um, SBI earnings are SBI did present its earnings. Over the past 1 week, it has presented great earnings. You know, when the earnings came out, it became more of became a news that buy the rumor, sell the news. If I have to sell, I will never sell my SBI share. I think so. I have come to a point I'm never gonna sell SBI share. In fact, I would add more to the further pullbacks it does present. But you have around risk to reward around 184. I think I will more start accumulating more of what do I say? SBI, because SBI killed it did present as killed its earning, like it killed its earning, revenue slightly. Like I'll give a detailed analysis. SBI, yeah. SBI reported its earnings today. Revenue results dropped this afternoon. Standard profit up 21.2121, up 10%, and it be consolidated net profit around 24,000. NII up, I don't know what this NII is, 46, around 45,000, up 12% year to year. Asset quality increased. So I don't care about all this, but what I was focused on, how much of their loan business has actually improved. In fact, I have my dad is huge into real estate, and he has taken up loans from SBI, and the SBI services is also top notch, and it is really well managed company. If you look at its loan, one of its biggest cash cow, it's its loan business. Like you have AWS for Amazon. Its biggest cash cow here is you know its loan business. It's up 18.63% year to year to 50.41 lakh crores. It's Retail agri MSC grew 18.2%. Whenever you're analyzing a company's earnings, you need to know where majority of the revenue comes from. For example, ITC earnings do come from majority of the revenue do come from and by the way, I completely exited ITC. I don't. The cigarette business is no longer growing. I will accumulate more. I'm planning to. I will accumulate more when I get a good when I get a job. But when I get a new job, I got recently laid off, so I am looking for new job. When I get a new job, I may consider taking a leverage position from next year on. So when I get a next job, I'm taking a huge risk. I am taking a leverage position with stocks as well as crypto, but I will do stocks with more like uh, more like with stop loss, because but I'm willing to lose more. I am willing to lose more with stocks leverage position. Because I want to take a long-term hit. I'm going to do what Leopold is going to do, but I will exit the position if it satisfies my profit. So, so that is what I wanted to give earning. On ITs. ITC, if you look at ITC's majority of the business revenue do come from cigarette business, and it has not been producing that good of results, but still the stock has crashed. Revenue is not completely up to the mark, for ITC, for cigarette business. It didn't satisfy investors, and that is what has led to the huge crash of the ITC. Whereas similarly for SBI, its biggest cash cow, which is loan business, and its loan up 18.63 to 15.47 crores, crossed the 50 lakh crore mark for the first time. Domestic advance cross up 18.5%, and RAM, which is Agri Retail MSME Group, 18.2%. Order grew, overs from office grew, overseas cost 20.63, and this is like a very crucial thing for SBI. So this is what market were reacting to all this time, and we don't know in Monday how market will react to. But I have no intention of selling my SBI stock forever. In fact, none of my stocks. This is my final holding. I don't understand any of my holdings. I will not add also new. I want to strictly keep my position to 13 positions only. 13 holding only. So I have no intention of selling any of my holding, especially SBI, because its loan business is very at the top notch. But there is a cash as well. Majority of SBI loans is to Adani. It's like second most, I think, to Adani. And if BJP's dominance do come to dominance do come down, if BJP's dominance do come down, this is like very risky stock, and then this will crash more, but I will also accumulate more at that time. So we'll see how it goes. So, and this is my crypto position update for today. I've taken up a news position. This is ASUSDT weekly perfect reversal. I taken perfect reversal, so I taken up this short right here. uh, Taken up this short right here. Taken up the short, and this is my ref US, and another position I have taken is ref USDT is showing perfect reverse, like let me rewrote perfect reversal right here. Stop loss is around a perfect reversal right here. Taken up the short here. If it crashes, so it's like it's showing sign of lower highs and lower high and higher lows. So lower highs and lower lows. So we'll see how all of this position. I'll guys keep you updated. I'll keep you updated. So Monday we have no good companies earnings coming out. At this mid cap, CNA will go to grow again. Mm, Many of my holdings earning is coming on next week. Let's see events. Where is events? Not seeing events here. At US events. My search here. Events. From holdings, uh, results on 12th we have Merck's Pharma results coming out. So we will see how everything goes. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.